If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can modify and organize bookmarks in Acrobat by using the Bookmarks panel in the navigation pane. You can also nest bookmarks to create bookmark groups. To move an existing bookmark in the Bookmarks panel in Acrobat, click and drag the bookmark within the Bookmarks panel. When dragging the bookmark to a new location in the Bookmarks panel, notice a line appears to indicate where the bookmark will appear when you release the mouse button. If the line appears all the way to the far left side of the Bookmarks panel when you release the mouse button, the bookmark then moves to that location within the list of bookmarks. Alternatively, if the line appears indented in the Bookmarks panel, with its left side aligned under the title of the existing bookmarks in the panel, then when you release the mouse button, Acrobat nests the bookmark under the bookmark above it in the bookmarks list. It can take a bit of practice to get a feel for rearranging bookmarks in Acrobat. However, it is a useful feature, as nesting bookmarks in a PDF and placing them in the correct order helps users navigate the PDF more easily. Remember that rearranging bookmarks in the Bookmarks panel does not change the bookmark's destinations. Separately, to change a bookmark's destination in the Bookmarks panel in Acrobat, click the bookmark in the Bookmarks panel to select it. Then navigate to a new destination in the PDF and show it within the main document window. Then click the Options button at the top of the Bookmarks panel and select the Set Bookmark Destination command from the drop-down menu that appears. Finally, click Yes in the pop-up message that appears to confirm the bookmark's new location. Alternatively, to rename a bookmark in Acrobat, click to select the bookmark in the Bookmarks panel, and then click its name again to highlight it. Then type a new name for the bookmark, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to confirm the change. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.